On this episode, we're going to look at the Republic of Chad, the country right snap dab in the middle of Africa, has one golf course that we will be looking at with a population of 15 million. It's a pretty big country for one golf course, but most of it is desert. This golf course is a desert type golf course as well, and it is only 9 holes. So without further ado, here is the top golf course for the Republic of Chad, a landlocked country in northern Central Africa. And our number one golf course for Chad goes to Unjanino Golf Club, right outside of its capital of the country. This par 27 golf course is a desert style golf course, as you can see. It is only 9 holes, and it is recorded with a length of 1,980 yards. It's great to see a golf course in this country. There's rumors of more golf courses to come, but that's going to be it for our list. For the country of Chad, the Republic of Chad, this is World Twilight Golfer. And before we go, make sure you subscribe below because there'll be more videos to come on countries just like this where you'll be shocked that there is golf courses. This is World Twilight Golfer.